In today's quick tutorial, we are going to paint some grumpy monsters. These will use up the whole surface space of your rock. They're similar to the ones I've done before on the page. These ones I did a whole bunch of for Halloween last year. They're really quick and easy. You can do them in any color combinations that you want, and I'm going to paint 3 different ones quickly here for you today. We're going to start by creating a bottom jaw line. So I like to make mine grumpy monsters, so the top of the jaw line I always have slanting downward, almost as in a frown. Next, we're going to add on some eyebrows. I like to have those slanting downward as well. That helps pull off the grumpy look. A couple whites for the eyes, and then teeth. You can add on as many teeth and eyes as you want. You're going to see between the 3 of these, I've got completely different styles that I'm doing, which gives each of them their own unique look. I also like them to have kind of a furry texture, so you'll see that my lines, I don't make sure that they're super duper smooth. On this 3rd one, I'm not going to do it two-tone. I'm going to show you how you can do it just with lining. So we're just going to sketch on that bottom jaw area with our paint pen with this sketch style lines. Go ahead and add on your eyebrows the same. This one I'm only doing 1 eye, but as you can see with the slanted down eyebrow, he's still going to get that fun grumpy monster look to him. These rocks are great to do in batches, so you can bounce around from rock to rock so that they're drying in between your layers. Last, we just have to go around in lines, so we're going to do a sketchy line around the edge of his jawline and then around the whole edge of the face. Outline your eyes and give him pupils, and then also outline all of the teeth. Having paint pens for these makes them so easy to do. I have links in the description for paint pens online. I'm using an extra fine tip for the eyes, teeth, and lining. And then for the base coats of the faces, you could use whatever size you have or acrylic paint and a brush. These guys are just so adorable, and the kids love them. You can paint these all year round. They're not just for Halloween. I just think that they're fun to do for Halloween because you can paint so many so fast, and they all look so unique and different because every rock is going to have a different shape. You can do, like I said, different amounts of eyes, different amounts of teeth. They all have their own little personality. So we're just putting the finishing touches on this last monster. I'm going to link here to our playlist of all the rest of our Halloween rocks that are perfect for beginners and to do in batches for all those little trick-or-treaters or just to hide around town for Halloween season. Check out all these fun rocks that we painted last year. We've got tutorials for most of them on the page already, but follow along for a couple more that we'll be releasing this year.